Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have 4 awesome moves that are gonna help you fix your posture. Your back muscles are what help you twist, turn, extend your spine, turn your head. And it's also these muscles that help you sit and stand straight, as well as support your spine and help you breathe. So let's get into it. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. We have so many awesome things to share with you. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell because that lets you know when we post. And if it's not your first time, welcome back. Love to have you. We are gonna be doing 3 sets. The first one, I explain a little bit more, demonstration, talk you through proper form because it's so important. And then the other 2 are just straight through the workout, less talking, more doing. So if you feel like you have a good knowledge of movement, go ahead and get to that second and third set. If not, we're gonna start with our first one. Our first exercise is standing rows. So I'm gonna move to the side here so you can see a little bit. We're gonna extend our arms out in front of us and also remembering a good healthy posture here. Your feet are hip width apart, you have a slight bend in the knees, your rib cage is closed, your butt is tucked in, strong core, chest up, shoulders pushed away from ears. All those little notes that I will remind you throughout the video. But our arms are extended out here, and what we're gonna do is bring our elbows back close to our body and squeeze our shoulder blades together. So row it in, squeeze, and then release, all right? And when you row your arms backwards, when you bring your elbows in close to your body and backwards, squeezing your shoulder muscles, I want you to remember keeping your rib cage closed. So the difference here would be opening, that's an open rib cage, and then what we wanna do is close it, tuck in the tummy, tuck in the butt. That's going to protect your spine, all right? So standing rows for 30 seconds. Big breath, check your stance, ready, and let's go. Another important, cue to remember is breathing. All right, so important to deliver oxygen to your muscles, and you can sync it up with your movement. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Then that way it's a little bit easier to stay accountable and remember. Remembering also to keep your shoulders down and pushed away from your ears. Those elbows are nice and tucked in, squeezing your shoulder blades each time. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Go ahead, shake it out. Do some rolls and get ready for exercise number 2. We're gonna be doing pull apart. So again, with our arms extended in front of us, with that same stance that I started with, and we're going to pull apart here, all right? I wonder why we call it pull apart. All right, so arms here, pull apart, and remember squeezing those shoulder blades. So this does target a little bit different areas of the shoulder blades as our first one. Both are amazing, and we're gonna get those muscles nice and strong to keep us supported. All right, so from the side here, open, squeezing, and remembering that it's closed rib cage because it's easy to go like this, but we're gonna, boom, lock it in. All right, entire body's engaged. 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, and let's go. All right. Remember your chin is up, nice and proud. You always wanna have a tennis ball, shaped space here, all right? We don't wanna tuck it in. Nice, proud chest, chin up. Bent knees, don't wanna lock our knees. Important to have blood flow throughout the body. Very good, and squeeze together. Squeeze. All right, 3, 2, 1, squeeze and relax. Very good. Roll it out, shake it out. Next, we have a standing cat-cow. Now, we usually do this on the floor, but you can actually do this seated on a chair or standing like we're gonna do right now. So we're gonna have a nice little bend in the knees. All right, we're gonna have our hands here above our knees, on our thighs, wherever you feel supported. And with starting with a nice straight back, all right? we're going to arch. This is one of the few times you're allowed to arch. We're gonna arch and our head is gonna come upwards. All right, and you're also pushing your shoulders back. You're squeezing everything backwards, all right? And then we're gonna come do the opposite and concave in, round over, and that's a cat-cow, all right? So usually on the floor, we do it like this. But so we don't have to get on the floor, standing cat-cow. With this one, I really want you to take your time, work through the movements, feel the stretch. There's no rush, all right? This is more of a stretch, although it does work your muscles as well, all right? When you come back, you're gonna squeeze everything backwards, all right? But take your time and work through the motions. 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath. Bend in the knee, hands on your legs, and let's go. All right, taking your time and round over. Now your chin now will come down and tucked in. Breathing. Very good. See, my chest popped when I went up, and that felt really good. If it feels good, that's fine. If it's painful, then stop, reassess, take your time. As long as it's not painful, your pops and cracks are okay. 3, 2, 1, and come back, up, and shake it out, release, very, very good. Last but certainly not least, we have a chest opener, all right? So in that nice, strong standing position that we talked about earlier, all right? Bend the knees, our hands are gonna come behind our back. We're gonna clasp our hands, all right? We're starting with our elbows, bent, and then we're going to extend them straight, all right? And then come back down and do that continuously. So you can do it in increments of 5 seconds, or if you feel comfortable and it feels good, you can hold that position here for the 30 seconds, all right? Or like I said, cut it up in different increments. But in that position, you're also going to have to watch your rib cage, and you're probably thinking like, well, how do I do that? I'm like literally, pushing myself forward. Well, there is a difference between this and this, all right? So tucking in that core, tucking in that butt, engaging your entire core area, which includes your back. So 30 seconds on the clock, my people. Big breath, starting position, check all your cues, and let's go. Big breath, and exhale, straighten. All right, you can hold this or go ahead. Bend the elbows, relax a second, and extend again. Chest is up, chin is up, nice and proud. Shoulders are pushed away from the ears. They're not like this, pushed away. And if you want to challenge yourself, you can raise your hands. If not, just go ahead, keep them down here and enjoy that stretch. But if you can, challenge yourself. And down, release, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. And that was it. That was your first set of 4 amazing moves to fix your posture. Take a second, grab some water, stretch if you need to, and get ready for set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, less talking, more doing. You know what to do. We have our standing rows, then we have our pull aparts, then we have our, cat-cow, and then we have our chest opener. All right, let's do it. Let's feel good. Let's get it. First exercise, 30 seconds. Let's go. Breathing, don't forget to breathe in your nose, out your mouth. Shoulders away from the ears, bend in the knees, and always a strong core. 3, 2, 1, and very good. Release, shake it out, and right to our pull aparts, and begin. Three, 2, and 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Standing cat-cow, 30 seconds, and let's go. Three, 2, 1, and straighten. Very good. Shake it out, and finishing strong with our chest opener. Big breath, 30 seconds, and begin. Three, 2, 1, gently release, and very good. Wow, I already feel like I am standing a little bit taller. So take a second, water, breathe, stretch, and then we're gonna finish strong with our third set. Alrighty, my beautiful people, third set, you got this. First exercise, 30 seconds, let's go. 3, 2, 1, and very good. Release, shake it out, and right to our pull aparts, and begin. Three, 2, and 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Standing cat-cow, 30 seconds, and let's go. 3, 2, 1, and straighten. Very good. Shake it out, and finishing strong with our chest opener. Big breath, 30 seconds, and begin. Three, 2, 1, gently release. And that was it. 4 amazing moves to fix your posture. We talked a little bit in the beginning why it's important. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, take a second, go to our channel, check out our other amazing videos, because I really hope to see you on the next one.